talking about productions, there was one person that we missed out. You brought up his name, but there was two songs I want to discuss with him. Bobby Digital from Digital B Records. Okay, I know that you did "Can't Stop the Rain."
Yeah.
How did you come up with that one?
Me and Bobby still used to go to school. We used to go high school together. We used to go on private high school. Yeah, Warren Hall High School, now after 3. And that's when I meet Bobby, because Bobby still, we used to play soccer, and Bobby still was a goalie. Was a bad. Now he was so fat, you know, he was skinny boy, but like, nothing couldn't pass him, because we played in the national stadium, and me scored the only goal, because he was a forward, and we carried him the cup, because it was a private eye competition. And I was playing against all of the private high school them in a Kingston, all about Vauxhall and Gainstead, and we at the stadium and me scored the lone goal, and Bobby, the man lick some work, and Bobby just if I never him would I get 10 love to her, the man save everything like a cat. So him now tell me say my God thing there. When we leave school, him say my God, him got jammies. Him got jammies, go do some engineering. Come whenever I know him do that, him say he used to look a technician, and then him end up some go around the one day and buck him up down there and say, Malvo, John was start. I will start par, then till him leave jammies and come up on him own. So that song I made that song now two. I made that song and I said, boy, two me as I listen to R&B, and People Bryson was one of my singers still. I made the song and I said, I'm singing for Mikey Bennett first. But Mikey Bennett, so two Mikey Bennett is a proper youth. And when you sing it, yes, baby can, and go up on keys, and because Mikey Bennett, I'm a bad right, and them proper, and uptown, you would say, I get the uptown style. I'm singing for Mikey Bennett, and I said, John no star. So I go check Bobby, and say, well, I'm Bobby. So I drive my Bobby car, and I hear my play, People Bryson, the can you start the rain, and I play over and over. I'm saying, well, I'm to that song, I say, boy, man, it's a song, yeah. I love that song, I say, Marby, you know, say, I just voice it for Mikey Bennett. I say, you know, really, I'm going to put one. Boom, come, I say, ready, come, let's do this, brother. Come, that gangster boy, bad boy, I was just going on. And from that song there, brother, trust me, Sky's the Limit. That song there was the greatest, one of the greatest songs. I mean, that song they make people find me, I'll jap some Japanese. That song they put enough food on my table, Rasta, I tell you. I build a house out of that song there.
That was a massive, to this day, it's still a big song.
Yeah, man. I see them come back with the rhythm again, and I say, wow, that's so sweet. You know what I mean? Come remember say all thing that, on the rhythm. Come remember say all Fatty lick it over and put Sanchez on it. And Richie Stevens on it. You remember say you have a Ghana sit on it, you know. But that Can You Stop the Rain, there was like it's a non-stop. Nothing could stop it.
Crazy.
It was a huge hit after hit. That one was a big hit, massive.
Big,
yeah, man.
big
Up to this day.
Another one you did with Bobby Digital, but this was, it almost seems like you guys were, Bobby Digital was sharing the same rhythm with King Jammies, which was the score rhythm. You did Is It Love?
Is it love, true love? Oh, man. Bobby Digital with our Jammies one. That Jammies rhythm that, you know.
It's Jammies rhythm, but from what I remember, that came out on Bobby Digital, if I'm correct. But that is a Jammies rhythm, though.
Yeah, and you know, so, yeah. But it's not Jammies rhythm that, a Jammies brother rhythm that, Uncle T. Uncle T, so it's a vibe, you know, it's a vibe with them type of. Yeah, but Bobby, we have good, because Bobby, we know Bobby, him youth, them all him youth, then we're talking in Calibod now, we have big man, the Rasta youth, we have film. Me know him when him now on Pampas. Me know them, as so far we have come from with Bobby Digital. We have a good time making some good music, and, you know what I mean, it was a great vibe with Bobby Digital.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.